this is my natural hair texture brushed out. It's super one length, very little dimension. I'm going to attempt a butterfly cut. First step, wet the hair. Can already hear Brad Mondo yelling. A bathrobe shall be worn since the hair is wet. Is that wet enough, Brad? That is as flat as I can get it.
Hairdresser for yourself ever.
Okay, Brad. Okay, I'm gonna use this as my measuring tool. Oh, I'm scared. I hate this. Ooh, I'm scared. You know what? We're just gonna go full send. I'm happy with that for now. Good Lord. Oh God. Oh my God, it feels so much shorter. Huh. Oh, that feels kind of shit. Oh, I like that actually. Does this slay? I might like this. I'm gonna leave it alone. Maybe. I kind of love it. I love it.